Hello guys, how are you? I hope so you guys are doing fine. After the last video I received a lot of questions. You guys were asking me how you can create an AI call assistant that speaks in Arabic. So I have done that for you. It is very simple. So in this video I am going to create hello world for you guys in Arabic. If you are a developer, you must know what I am talking about right now. That means that this is going to be the simplest most tutorial. If you are in the GCC market, or if you have got the clients in the GCC markets, Dubai, Qatar, Saudi, Oman, in these places, then this is a must to watch video for you guys. I'm going to create the syntax for you. On top of that, there are endless possibilities. So if you want to know how to integrate that Twilio, how to do the automation using make.com, how to fetch all of this detail and update it on Google Form, then you can go to my YouTube channel and you can see I have created a video explaining all of this. Okay guys, so starting with this video, so I'm going to tell you how we're gonna do it. So first of all, I have created an assistant. As I've told you, if you want to know how to create an assistant and everything, you can watch my last video. So in this video, we are just going to get straight to the topic. Okay, so what you have to focus more on is this. Select the provider, and there are multiple provider. As you can see, you have got multiple options, even the accent. If you want Australian accent, the Indian accent, French option, the Latin option, even you can make it speaking in the Russian. And here you can see there's an option of AR. If you chose AR, that means that your AI call assistant is going to speak in Arabic. And then if you go to the voice option, you have to choose your provider. Well, and then guys, you have to choose 11 labs multilingual V2 model because it's supporting more than 29 languages. Okay, so you just have to click the publish button and now you are good to go. So guys, that's it. We have written down the script. We are good to go with the transcriber. We are good to go with the voice option, and you don't have to worry about everything else. And if you want to know about other options and their functionalities and stuff, then guys, you have to watch my last video. Okay guys, so now we are ready to initiate the call. So now what you can do is, if you are on your agent, so you can just click talk with assistant and you can talk to your Arabic AI agent. Or if you have integrated Twilio with your VAPI, then you can initiate the call from here as well if you go to the phone numbers. Again guys, I'm not going to tell you how to integrate Twilio in this video, because if you want to know that, you have to watch my last video. I'm receiving the call right now. كيف حالك؟
مرحبا، معك عالية من ديف ميد سوليوشنز. هل يمكنني معرفة اسمك من فضلك؟
زين العابدين.
شكرا لك زينو. هل يمكنك إخباري بموقعك من فضلك؟
عمان.
شكرا لتأكيد ذلك زينو، نقدر وقتك. أتمنى لك يوما رائعا. إلى اللقاء.
Okay, thank you so much. I have to go right now. Thank you so much for the call.
إذا كنت بحاجة إلى أي مساعدة في المستقبل، لا تتردد في التواصل. دمت بخير.
Thank you. Take care. Bye. Okay guys, so forgive me, I'm not so good with Arabic. As you can see, I was speaking in English and it was replying in Arabic because I had told her that you have to only speak in Arabic. So guys, this is how you can create an AI call assistant that speaks in Arabic, and this is so much valuable if you are in the GCC market or if you have got the clients in the GCC market, and this is in really high demand right now. People want it for their real estate agencies, they want it for their clinics, for the hospitals, for restaurants. So in future I'm going to show you how you can create the one that speaks in Spanish as well, in French as well. In all of those languages we are going to test them. So if this video was valuable for you guys, I would highly suggest you that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And guys, I also do run an AI automation company, DevMed Solutions. So if you want to get our services, there's a link of our website down below. There's also a link of Currently, so you can just book one-to-one session with me as well, and we can talk about the business, we can talk about the growth, we can talk about the collaborations. Thank you so much guys for watching the video till the end. I will definitely be back with the new, more valuable content for you guys. Till then, take care.